Election. Election. 13. 13. Charlie Bartlett. American Honey. Released 2016, directed by Andrea Arnold. The Chumscrubber. The Chumscrubber. Jawbreaker. Jawbreaker. Assassination of a high school president. Assassination of a high school president. The Rules of Attraction. The Rules of Attraction. Daydream Nation. Released 2010, directed by Mike Goldbach. The Informers. The Informers. The Basketball Diaries. The Basketball Diaries. Kids. Kids. I Know Who Killed Me. I Know Who Killed Me. Alpha Doll. Alpha Doll. Hard Candy. Hard Candy. Pretty Persuasion. Released 2005, directed by Marcos Siega. Poison Ivy. Poison Ivy. Virgin Suicides. Released 1999, directed by Sofia Coppola. Donnie Darko. Released 2001, directed by Richard Kelly Moore. Donnie Darko, 313 of 480. The Greatest Movies for Guys, 37 of 97. The Best Movies to Watch on Mushrooms, 14 of 126. The Greatest Directorial Debuts of All Time. Bully. Heathers. Heathers. Everlasting. Everlasting. Brick. Brick.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.